Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a Nerf war. I hope you guys had a nice Christmas, because yesterday for me it was Christmas. But yeah, I hope you guys have had a nice Christmas. But yeah, like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's get right into this video. So for Christmas yesterday, I got this like big vest thing, and well, I got a big Nerf gun. And me and my mum, well, she's at her base. Me and my mum are doing a Nerf war. It's basically capture the flag, but I'm the Juggernaut. And basically, if you don't know what the Juggernaut is, it's basically one person against everyone else, and that one person is more powerful. Like, more powerful than everyone else. That's what a Juggernaut is. And basically, we don't have a flag, so I have to take the hat and I have to put it on the speaker in our living room.
I think we should make it the Christmas hat.
Okay, yeah, let's make it the Christmas hat, as it's like Christmas.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Where's this got to go?
In your bedroom.
Okay.
So yeah, I have to steal that. I have 18 lives, so basically, my mum has to hit me 18 times, then like with Nerf bullets, and then I have to hit my mum 3 times at first. But when she respawns, it's 4 times, then it's 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, and it goes all the way up to 10 lives for her. But for me, it's 18, and that's it. And if she kills me, she wins. So, yeah, hope you enjoy this video. It's going to be a big battle. So, yeah, enjoy, and I'm going to try and tape the camera to me. Okay. Oh, and I also got Fitbit. Hope you guys had a nice Christmas. Okay.
Right.
You guys are going to go here. So I think... Well, I'm actually going to have this mask up here, so... But then the gun's going to be in the way. So I would think to put it up here.
Instead of take it round your body.
No, I mean just put that tape like that.
I'm going to hold it. I'm going to get any bullets out. How's that?
That's good.
Is that good?
Mhm. Can you see?
Yes. I'm going to take it all round.
Dun, dun. Okay. When I say GG, we go.
Okay.
Your respawn point is here,
Okay.
so you just have to stand here.
Okay.
Your respawn point is back here. So at first you just have to stand here. So you just have to stand here. Bring all your guns along.
Right. Not quite sure what to do, but I'll figure it out as I go along.
Yeah, you'll figure it out. Don't shoot me now.
She just drops out the end.
Oh. Well, when I say GG, we'll go. Oh, hold on, there's enough bullet there. Okay. Hopefully you guys are good. GG! The war has begun. Ow! 1, 2, 3! You've got to respawn! Quick. 1, 2, 3! You've got to respawn! No! Run! Wait, this is the wrong hat! Pooh!
I'll take that one, but we originally put that one out.
Okay. Run! Oh my god. Okay, now you just have to kill me. No! Ow!
Oh,
Headshots don't count. Oh no. Okay. Oh poop.
oh,
No. Oh no.
oh, defective gun. Oh, oh, it's stuck.
No. Ow.
Ow.
Oh no.
Don't know why I said ow.
Oh no. Run. Ah. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. Ah.
Defective gun. Again.
Oh god. Okay, once you've got...
Oh,
Oh no. Run out of bullets. Poop. Need to reload. You guys are a bit wonky, by the way. Stay up. Oh god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And by the way, I'm reloading.
yeah, me too.
Oh god. You can't shoot when you're reloading. Oh god. This guys is really hard, okay? God. Oh my god. This is like a humongous Nerf war that is like World War 3 this is like for me. World War 3. Ah! I haven't reloaded yet. Poop, you can't shoot me. Okay. She's going down. Oh, poop. Oh! 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 Oh!
Oh, yeah.
Oh no! Gun jam. My gun is jammed. Poop. You guys, stay there. Ah, jam. Don't need that anymore. Obviously. That's what happened. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Gun jammed. Gun jammed. Gun jammed.
3, 4,
Gun jammed.
5. Ow.
1. No! Gun jammed again! Gun down! Gun down! Gun down!
Really hard video and it's having a jam gun.
Oh god, I can't hold you guys. You guys! Stay there.
Ow! Oh.
Come down. No! It's too much. This war is going bad for the juggernaut. Oh!
Collecting some bullets.
I can't.
Oh!
That's
Okay.
Oh my god, that was hard. So you basically get all the bullets. This is the stand that you were on all this time, guys.
Do I need to re-sellotape it to you?
Maybe. This vest is now gonna go to my mum. Oh yeah, by the way, this is unspeakable much. You get that as well.
Right. I get
I'm a
that.
fan of unspeakable. You get that.
Okay.
And you also get that gun there. You get both of those pistols. So. You need to put some bullets in there. Yeah.
Oh, do you need this bullet pouch?
No. Actually, yeah. Give me the bullet pouch.
Okay.
How many bullets are there?
There's one bullets in there.
Do you know what? Actually, this is gonna be round 2, guys, and I think I have a good strategy.
Hang on, I've got some bullets in there. I'm happy.
Oh no. You're gonna put bullets in there, put bullets in there to be the juggernaut. Still here. Oh no, you don't have to do that.
Okay.
You can just leave it like that. Oh, I don't know. Just take them all out and then put them back in again. Finding a little hook to hook this little pouch on. Okay, how many bullets? Can I just take some bullets to put in my thingy bobby? Oh, is all these guns? Are they all filled up with with the ammo?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
I think so.
Okay. Do you know what? Actually, I've got an idea.
Where's pistols? Oh, there.
One's there and one's there. I've got an idea. You guys stay here. Basically, you just do you want it taped to you or should I tape it to you? Yeah, you can. Okay. Where's the tape?
My bedroom.
We have no edits, guys. We have no edits. So that's why. Put it there. Let's do this.
Right, can you hold that there?
Okie dokie then. Do you know what? I'm going to give you that one there.
Right. Very sturdy.
Are you sure you're happy with all the bullets you've got?
Yep.
You sure?
Oh, yeah.
You're the juggernaut because you've got the big gun.
Born killer.
What? No, you weren't. Do you think I don't think that's going to stay.
No.
You're going to need more than that.
Yep.
Oh, oh God.
Ribbly. There you go.
For this epic battle.
Okay.
Are you sure it's going to stay?
Yeah, it'll be alright.
Okie dokie then, I'll see you guys on the battlefield.
Yep. Ouch.
This time, there's bullets spreading everywhere.
Yep. I'm going to kill him. Oh. Going to kill him. I've got to get the hat. sure this is going to stay. Right, you ready?
GG.
GG, is that it?
Yeah. Oh God.
Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Right, you got to respawn. You're dead. Hooray, killed him. Oh, got to go and refill. Ah! Refill, refill. Ow! 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 He's killing me. Oh man, painful. It's slow.
What?
Ha.
What?
Ow! Oh, thanks. Oh, that's straight past my head. Ah, 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 oh. Ah. Right, back we go. Aha! Ah. Ah. Oh no! Oh! Ow! Didn't get the hat, did I? Right, I'm just going to piss.
Ah! You can't shoot me. No.
Ow! You're dead. Hold on, just going to make sure. 1 second. Oh, yeah, killed him. I'm the winner!
Are you sure about that?
Ah!
I'm joking. Oh my God.
Oh.
That was a big boy. Well, hope you enjoy that, well, speedy, exotic video. Like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and it was a draw, by the way.
Yeah, draw.
I noticed it was a draw.
Yeah.
So yeah, like and subscribe. Actually, yeah, it was draw. Anyway, I the first time I was the Juggernaut, I put the hat there. You took it.
I know.
Once I put the hat there, I put the hat there. But you took it. So, but I thought, it's a good Nerf war, so let's do it again. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and see you in another video.